Hi, and welcome to this session. My name is Rashad Badrawi. I am an enterprise and solution architect, as well as a college professor. In this session, I would like to discuss or to have some fun together on AI governance, and in particular, we will be discussing AI failures, or more accurately, a specific recent example of an AI failure. By doing that, the aim and the purpose is to actually learn from the mistakes of others. As I've mentioned in other recordings, a lot of AI projects that are being implemented at an enterprise level are failing. So, and they are failing for different reasons. So it's always good to take a step back and focus on the governance, focus on reflecting on what went wrong. And that doesn't mean that for all the examples that I will be highlighting, in this session, we'll only talk about one such example, but this will be a series actually with multiple episodes. And in each episode, we'll highlight one example. Now, as a disclaimer, that doesn't mean the company or the enterprise where this AI implementation failed is bad, quote unquote. That doesn't mean they don't have talented architects, talented managers, and definitely talented AI experts. So it's very important to separate the example, the failure, what went wrong, from the individuals as well as the company itself. Having said that, uh, our topic for today is a very recent failure that happened at one of the most respected firms, accounting firms in the world, KPMG. And the failure stems from the fact that they published a recent report. Well, I mean, the report has been uh, pulled out, so to speak, after discovering that, it was way off, to put it nicely. Now, the report that they published suffered from a lot of hallucinations. So, the purpose of the report, or at least one purpose of this report, was to actually highlight firms that are actively using agentic AI. And unfortunately, the report hallucinated a lot. And as a result of that, it basically fabricated successes that never existed, meaning that it mentioned very confidently, and this is usually the case with AI hallucinations, that it sounds very confident and it seems that it's telling you some very accurate data or information with citations. And that's exactly what the report included. Now, this report actually, as it says right here, I mean, you can just Google it if you haven't heard about it already. But uh, according to GPTZero, the famous site, it claimed that out of 45 citations mentioned in that report by KPMG, only 5 of them checks out, and all the others apparently didn't. Now, these are some examples where you can find more information about this failure. Again, as you see here, KPMG pulls report on AI usage due to apparent hallucinations. Over here, KPMG's AI report becomes an accidental demo, which is very true. We are using it as a demo in our session today of AI hallucinations. And also, again, KPMG AI report plagued by AI-generated false citations and case studies. I will not get into the details of the hallucinations. Generally speaking, I can say that it highlights certain companies and or organizations or institutions, and highlights their successes again in implementing agentic AI, and that never happened. The companies themselves that are mentioned in the report denied that this is really the case. What went wrong? So now we know that there is a failure. We are seeing a clear-cut example of what happened. Let's try to see, as as part of our learning experience, what's wrong. Well, and let's try to tie that to some of the globally respected frameworks and guidelines for implementing AI systems. For that, we'll just refer to the NIST framework. NIST stands for the National Institutes of Standards and Technology, and they have what's known as the AI RMF framework. Now, this framework is RMF stands for Risk Management Framework. So basically, the framework is supposed to manage the risk by that's originating or coming from the implementation of AI systems. And the framework basically has 4 main components: the map, the measure, the manage, and the govern, which basically applies to all the other 3 as well. For this particular report, for this KPMG failure, to put it that way, and again, we are mentioning the name of the company and we are mentioning the failure as a case study. Now, let's actually have another page right here on our whiteboard. And let's see what went wrong. Or let's imagine what went wrong. Again, you can find more details and assessments online if you wish to. Definitely, you have a missing component, which is human in the loop, which is one of the pillars of implementing safe AI systems, which stands for the fact that all of our AI systems, agentic or not, should have some human supervisory role, some human oversight on the system. to have that, remember what we mentioned earlier with the AI risk management framework components, and remember what we mentioned on mapping, measuring, managing, and the overall governing. When you are doing the mapping in this case, obviously this AI system is based on a model, the one by KPMG. So we have this KPMG right here, and you have the model, and these were obviously trained on certain datasets. Now, when you are doing the training, it's important to do some measurements, track some metrics. And again, I'm doing this at a high level, so I'm not really talking to the data scientists right here or to the expert AI engineers. Uh, Although they can benefit from this discussion as well. Now, for the mapping part, this model that was used was trained. Did they identify all the possible risks that are associated with such a model? For example, it's a well-known fact that AI, agentic AI, and more generally, large language models, the you know chatbots that are being used, they are very eager to please. So they are willing to actually fabricate information just to keep you happy. So now I can say, let me put this right here, for the prompting part, was there a risk with this model right here that it really has a tendency to hallucinate, to come up with citations that never existed based on the type of prompting that's being used? And if so, was this risk highlighted ahead of time? And if so, did we satisfy the map component of the framework, of the RMF framework? Apparently, and again, I'm not at all undermining the talent of all of the IT staff at KPMG, but it seems that something was missing at this level, at the mapping level. That's one. Now let's get to the measurement part. When you are doing this measurement, you are basically assessing how successful, let me change the color I'm using on this board. How successful is this model in providing accurate answers? For that, you will do the training with the RAG. So basically, you will do some grounding. You use sample data. You know exactly the data that you are using. That's the point of having the RAG. And then you measure the success rate in having this model making accurate predictions, making accurate citations. So let's say out of 100 citations, again, as an example, only 50 of them were correct, then this model is definitely failing. To pass this measure phase or this measure benchmark, you should have at least 85% success rate. Sorry. For something like this, you can definitely use cloud AI based uh, platforms like Microsoft AI Foundry. And I'm hoping to give more hands-on examples of doing that in another session. And in particular, use its evaluation SDK. So, what we have done so far, to recap, there is likely a failure at the level of mapping the well-known risks, the potential risks of using this model. There seems to be a problem with the measurement based on measuring the failures of this model based on grounding it with some well-known data sets. Now, when it comes to the management part, you know, uh, and the govern part, what was the policy exactly that is being implemented? When this model was basically before it was deployed, and even after it was deployed, what was the policy as far as what I just mentioned earlier when it comes to the, you know, human in the loop part? When was that supposed to happen? How detailed was that supposed to be? And this is, in my humble opinion, a big issue that's taking place these days. The point that we can't deny is all of us are under pressure to produce results that reflect that AI is actually working. However, when you are going to take the output of the AI and pass it through human inspection, in many cases, this is viewed as slowing you down. You know, from someone's perspective at least, that I'm doing all of this agentic AI where one agent is verifying the work of the previous agent in a nice pipeline, so on and so forth. So I don't have to do it myself. But the fact of the matter, at least some of that, or some of that output, you really have to do it yourself. And you really have to include human oversight and human inspection. And this is where, the manage part comes in, and also the govern part that is providing oversight, ongoing oversight over all of this. Meaning that even after deploying the model, the govern part component of the AI RMF framework, risk management framework, will, it keeps going on and on. Or to say it differently, this is not a one-time thing. You will always keep assessing the output of the model, and you will keep monitoring the model for all sorts of, drifting, hallucinations, etc. So these are some highlights of what may have went wrong with the KPMG AI report case study. I hope you have found this session helpful. Please let me know in the comments anything else that we may have missed, any lessons learned that we should also highlight and share with each other. Thanks a lot.